Hi friends, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. Welcome back to my Paper Pumpkin Alternative Catch-Up series. I'm trying to get back on track with my Paper Pumpkin subscription. I want it to go from this to some beautiful masterpieces. I hope that I can offer you some gentle motivation to catch up yourselves if you're like me. And if you're not like me and you just like the design, why not create something similar with the supplies that you have in your stash? Hello friends, here we are with card number 2 of the July 2023 Fun in the Sun Paper Pumpkin Kit. I have my sketchbook out here and I'm doodling on it. I like to show you my thought process because I've always done this, FYI, but I've never really shared it with you. So here I am drawing out that piece of paper that is on the right. So I'm going to slice off that colorful part and then I'm going to back it with some Azure Afternoon cardstock. And then I'm just going to put in some of the components in the card kit. So here's some surfboards, there's a palm tree, there's some flip-flops and some sunglasses. And I'm sort of like sketching it out. Yeah, this is kind of what I want. I'm going to use a basic white card base. And then I thought I would put the sentiment right in the middle. You'll see at the end how I didn't do that. So I thought I cut this correctly, but as I cut it, I noticed a little sliver of paper. And so this is the reason why I really like our trimmer, the Stampin' Up! Trimmer, because man, if it will cut those very tiny little bits of paper off. So I think that was 2 inches wide. So I went 2 1/4, I believe, for this Azure Afternoon. It's funny because I don't use this very often. Anyway, the color, and I love it. I've taken my bone folder and I'm sort of pushing on the backside of that crease because there was a score line in this particular pattern. So I wanted to sort of minimize it as best I could. And here I am matting with that Azure Afternoon cardstock. It's really pretty, this one. I'm going to take the little excess off, and then you can see I've only got dimensional adhesive on one side, which would be the left side of the paper if it was stuck down, because I want to tuck things underneath it, but I still want to create a lift on this focal piece. Okay, so now that's all attached, and here I'm going to put I didn't even cut off the land that was attached to the palm trees. I'm just tucked it right on in, and you know, some bits up, some bits not. And then I ended up cutting off the yellow and blue surfboard. You can tell it's wintertime here while I'm describing this. We don't have surfboards here or too much in Kelowna where I live. Just snowboards. All right, so I glued that down. I put dimensional adhesive with the flip-flops and now with the sunglasses. I'm going to put them up on that surfboard. And then I'm like, okay, now I have to decide on the sentiment. And I actually really liked this little sign that came with the kit. And I put dimensional adhesive on it. And then I also had to move the sunglasses because where I put this sign, it would have covered the sunglasses where I had it at the beginning. So I did put some of the sparkle embellishments that came in the kit on this card. They fell on the ground and I couldn't find them until I finished filming. So you will see that in the stills later. Thank you so much for watching, thumbs upping, commenting, and all the YouTube-y things. I appreciate you so much. And I will see you next time for August Paper Pumpkin Box. Bye for now.